Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best water softeners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the AFWFilters IRONPRO2 Pro 2 Combination Water Softener. If you are hunting for an ideal option to reduce the scaliness from hard water, you can opt for this water softener without any second thought. The special fine mesh resin of this product can last for a longer period in the presence of filter and iron. It is useful in removing the hard water, which is responsible for the formation of iron and scale. Hence, it is possible to prevent the formation and buildup of white flake on the faucets, appliances, easily with the aid of this product. A prominent reason why you are going to love this product is that it can remove the ferrous iron. Also, it makes use of the meter-based regeneration process. It is an indication that the used water is measured, whereas the system regenerates, according to the requirements. It comes with the digital metered valve, which ensures ease of use and effectiveness. With this product, you can remove the hardness of water by almost 85 GPG. It also includes the round brine tank. Moving on at number 4, we have the Abundant Flow Water WS48K91 SXT9100 SXT Softener. It is another worth mentioning name in the list of the best water softeners available in the market. It is equipped with dual tanks that ensure an effective supply of water. It includes an amazing resin, which is beneficial in offering a better conversion of hard water to soft water. It is loved by the user owing to the ease of installation. Few prominent features of this product include touchpad controls, LCD display, 24/7 set controller, along with added control. It is known to remove the hardness of water effectively through the ion exchange process. Thus, it removes the ions physically, resulting in the elimination of scale water. Also, the digital metered head and polymer valve body of the product enhances additional efficiency. It features a poly-glass tank and resin tank of high quality. At number 3, we have the Go OTG4-DBLSOFT-Portable 16,000 grain RV. This product is capable of softening water, twice the gallons, in comparison to the conventional models, available in the market. It is believed to be the compact and largest RV softener present in the market. It is capable of softening 40% more water in comparison to the other units. It comes with the in and out headset, which is known to be mounted on top of it. The flexible handle, which is present at the top, ensures ease of carrying. It has a wide opening, which ensures the convenient addition of salt. This double standard system can soften 500 to 1,500 gallons of water before the starting of the regeneration period. This product has become the prime choice of end users as it prevents the accumulation and formation of rust stain, and thus it protects the bathroom fitting and plumbing fixture. It is loved by people owing to the space-saving design, and thus it allows the potential audience to install and keep it in the compact homes, garages, etc. The full cradle base which gets fitted in the unit is beneficial in ensuring the security and stability of the machine while maneuvering around. At number 2, we have the Fleck Iron Pro 2 AFWFilters Combination Water Softener. This product includes the iron filter, which helps in removing the hardness and iron present in the water, via the ion exchange process. It is preferred by the end user owing to the flow rate of 16 GPM. It comes with a warranty of 5 years, and hence you do not need to worry about replacing the product. It comes with the 5600 XT digital control that ensures ease of operation, lesser moving parts. It makes use of the turbine electronic flow meter, which offers a more accurate measurement of the total water, which has been treated by the system. In addition to this, the electronic control system of the product enables 1 to 4 modes of operation. It is loved by people owing to the 48 hours memory backup. The handy LCD display, along with backlight, enables you in reading details regarding the state of the device during day and night. Moreover, the 64,000 grain capacity of the product provides an everlasting water softening phase. Thus, this product is effective in removing chemicals, almost 75 grains in every gallon. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aquasana Whole House Water Filter System. This water softener stands second to none in providing clean and healthy water while removing almost 97% chlorine present in the regular tap water. As you choose this device, you will gain success in reducing a plethora of harmful contaminants such as mercury, lead, pesticide, herbicide, VOX, to name a few. It is considered to be the perfect combination of carbon and LDF filtration media along with scale control media technology, which is known to be engineered for enhancing the reduction of contaminants. Hence, it is useful in retaining healthy minerals in the water. You can get clean water at a price of just 1 cent for every gallon. Thus, you will be capable of saving an ample amount of water by choosing this product. You do not need any backflushing or draining. You require replacing the post and pre-filters of this product every 3 months to ensure the best flow and filtration rate. It also includes the brass fittings for pipes of 1 3/4 inch, shut-off valves, bend supports, etc. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.